Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today, we're discussing a topic that can affect businesses and individuals alike: the consequences of a breach of contract. Understanding the potential repercussions is vital because failing to meet contractual obligations can have serious legal and financial implications. Contracts are the foundation of almost every commercial or personal agreement. They outline what each party has promised to do and create certainty about rights and obligations.
But when one party fails to uphold their commitments, this is known as a breach of contract.
The consequences of such a breach can range from financial liability to damage to reputation, and in some cases, even legal action in the courts. So, what happens when a contract is breached? First, it's important to note that not every breach is treated the same. There are different types of breaches: minor breaches, which may not have severe consequences, and fundamental or material breaches, which go to the very heart of the contract and can justify more serious remedies. The type and severity of the breach will largely determine the consequences. The most common consequence is a claim for damages. Damages are designed to put the injured party in the position they would have been in if the contract had been properly performed. This could include compensation for financial loss, lost profits, or additional costs incurred as a result of the breach. In many cases, this is the primary remedy sought by businesses or individuals affected by a breach. Let's imagine a practical scenario. Suppose a business contracts a supplier to deliver essential materials for a manufacturing process. The supplier fails to deliver on time, causing production delays and financial losses. The injured business could claim damages to cover the costs arising from the delay, including lost revenue and extra expenses incurred to source alternative suppliers. In this way, damages serve to redress the harm caused by the breach. In some circumstances, the injured party may seek more than just financial compensation. Courts can, in certain cases, order specific performance, which requires the breaching party to fulfill their contractual obligations. This is more common in contracts involving unique items or property, where monetary damages alone would not provide an adequate remedy. Another potential consequence is the termination of the contract. A fundamental breach may allow the non-breaching party to end the agreement entirely and walk away from their obligations. This can provide relief, but may also have wider implications, such as losing access to goods, services, or strategic partnerships. It's also worth noting that a breach of contract can damage relationships and reputations, especially in the business world. Suppliers, clients, and partners may be less willing to work with a party known for failing to meet contractual obligations. This highlights why it's crucial to address breaches professionally, seeking legal advice to manage the consequences effectively and minimize long-term impact. At Blackstone Solicitors, we assist clients in understanding their rights, evaluating the seriousness of a breach, and pursuing the most appropriate remedies. Whether that involves claiming damages, negotiating a settlement, or enforcing specific performance, we provide strategic guidance to protect our clients' interests. In short, the consequences of a breach of contract can be financial, legal, and reputational. They may include claims for damages, orders for specific performance, termination of the agreement, or broader impacts on business relationships. Acting promptly and with expert advice is essential to ensure that your rights are protected and the situation is resolved efficiently. At Blackstone Solicitors, we provide expert legal advice and representation for clients dealing with breaches of contract. Whether you're seeking to enforce your rights or defend against a claim, our team is here to guide you through the process with clarity and confidence. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insights from Blackstone Solicitors. And if you're facing a contract dispute, contact our team today to discuss your options. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.